Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this time we're gonna go back to a technique that we did, well, I think it was a few months ago, but still it was a nice technique, so I wanted to revisit it. But guys, you're gonna see, I think I'm gonna use the four corners of a canvas. I think it's gonna be something special. We're gonna add about 4 or 5 colors. We'll see how it goes. We're gonna use, as I said, the string technique. We're gonna use a butcher string. So I think it's the nicest string to use because the acrylic stick more to the string than other kind of string, let's say. So there's only one way to find out what happens is to go and try it. So let's go at it. So guys, I think the result is quite nice, but as you saw, it gave me a lot of work. I wasn't very satisfied with it, and I have to admit that I'm still not very satisfied with it, but it's subjective. It's a question of taste, but I did try to make it my own, but it seems that sometimes things go wrong. Well, maybe not wrong, but it wasn't what I was expecting, and it wasn't what I wanted. But I think still it's a very nice finish. I think the yellow that we put at the end give it a nice touch. I think it's the color mixed with everything else. It's like you see it on another level. I think it's very nice. I think it gives it a 3D effect with the red that we put on the background. The red, we put a little bit of yellow, and the blue. I think it gives it, like I said, a nice touch of 3D. My flowers, if you can call it that, are not up to what I wanted, but still very nice. And like you saw, you can still do some touch up, because I did put a lot of acrylic on it, that's for sure. Maybe a little bit too much, so that's why my line on the flower are not that much defined. But still, like I said, it's very nice. I think because of the Floetrol, it shouldn't crack when it's gonna dry up. I hope. Like always, it's a question of taste. Some people like the crackling, but I don't really care one way or the other, so it doesn't affect my taste, but it's always subjective. So guys, I hope you enjoy, and like always, thanks for coming back time after time. And like always, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share. It's always appreciated. So see you guys on the next video. Take care.